is on Nunc, the up-and-coming NFT platform on the Tezos blockchain. We're on the site today. It's hic@nunc.xyz. Here's our little emblem up here. This is my wallet address because I'm already logged in. So I'm going to log out because that's how it'll be the first time you join. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get a wallet for Tezos. And I use the Temple Tezos wallet. If you just Google that, you'll get to this site. Click install now, click which browser you're going to use, install the extension. And then once you have that done, it will look like this. So here's my wallet address. And you can go to activity, shows activity. It's much like MetaMask, very similar. So let's go back to the site. So it'll say sync. If I refresh. Sync Tezos wallet. Here's the address, connect. And now we are synced. It shows my wallet address up here. And the great thing about this platform is that it's on Tezos, which is proof of stake. So there's basically no gas fees. And so, that's obviously a big advantage over Ethereum. Now, a lot of the disadvantages that it has right now are that it's very new. It's just been 100 days so far. So the UI isn't very good. It's kind of impossible to search for specific artists or to filter. It's kind of a free-for-all, which in a way makes it kind of fun. You just have to scroll and you look for stuff. Now, there are ways around that. For example, if I go to my collection, manage assets here, collection, here's stuff I've collected. So let's say, for example, skellies. These are cool. If I want to look at all of the skellies that exist, I just click on one of the ones I own. You could also bookmark a page that shows them when you find it if you don't end up buying one. And then it says issuer. So this is the address of the creator. So you click there and then creations. Collection will show with stuff they've collected, not stuff they made. This is stuff they've made. And then here are all of the skellies. Whoa, blank. That's a new one. That looks cool. So another one we could look at is, let's look at John John's site. He's one of the most popular, if not the most popular artist right now on this platform. Here's one of his windows. So you go here. Now this is his site. See, it says his name. It's got his Twitter link, Instagram link. You get the idea. And then if you go all the way, they're in chronological order. So if you go all the way down to the bottom, it does take a little time to load. But it'll show you the window number 1. So that must be this one. And then if you look here, window 1, and obviously it's extremely expensive. So if you click here, it goes back to the home page. Now the sort of bad thing is if you find a piece you like and you don't buy it and you don't bookmark it, and then you come back later, it might, it's hard to find. The other, I'd say, kind of bad thing about the site is that I don't know if it's the Temple wallet or the Tezos blockchain or the site itself, but it's kind of buggy. It sometimes takes forever to load. It seems to kind of use a lot of computing power on the phone. It doesn't work very well. And the other disadvantage is that you can't use it on mobile. You can't buy anything on mobile. There's no mobile Tezos wallet that I'm aware of that allows you to browse. So say, oh, this is kind of cool. So let's say you like that. Click on there. So collect for 3 Tezos, which is about 10, 11 bucks. So editions 5 of 5. So that means that all 5 editions are still available. The issuer is this person, so let's click on that wallet. Okay, so this tells you a little bit about this. He's Brazilian. There's a lot of Brazilian artists on this platform. That's kind of cool. I've never seen this guy before. So then you go back. I say guy, it could be a girl. I don't know, Francis. The other thing you can do is look at collectors. So this is info, collectors. So if it says 5 times this wallet, and that's this wallet, that means that all of them are still for sale. None of these have sold yet. So usually artists will come on the site and sell stuff for super cheap, like between 1 and 5 Tezos, which is, a Tezos is like $3.50. So if it says 5 times this address and that's the same as this address, that means that this artist probably recently just put all these on here, and you could buy one for 3 Tezos. You click there, and then it brings up your wallet again, just like MetaMask, although it doesn't always work quite as well. So see 3 Tezos right now, that's about $9.50. See, the gas is 4 cents, so that's nice. I don't actually know what the storage fee is all about, but anyway, that's 25 cents. I'm gonna reject that because I'm not gonna buy this right now, although I might later. The one other thing I wanted to talk about is how do you get Tezos in the first place, and I'll do a separate video on that. But hopefully this was helpful. I'm trying to keep it short. Let me know in the comments any questions you have, or hit me up on Twitter. Thanks.